Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can cancel easily removal AI subscription. So guys, go to official website on removal AI. After that log in into your account here and go to pricing guys. If you have guys premium subscription or subscription premium or credit, you can find here cancel subscription here. You can find option to cancel your subscription here, or you can here. And after that guys, if you don't have this option guys, you can call go to contact support here as you can see here, or go to here with cancellation policy. And this is how you can do. You can cancel subscription for any time and you making purchase with your account dashboard, or just simple contact as this information. You can contact from email guys, as you can see here, this email, if you have any problem. I hope guys this video helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more.